So let me show you how I edit the pages and also view the pages. So check it out. I'm in the dashboard here. And if you hover over your name on the top here, you can click on this visit site. When you do that, it replaces the thing you're looking at. And then you have to go back here and go back to the dashboard like this. So instead of going back and forth like that, here's what I do. I actually hover over my name, right click here and choose open link in new tab, or control click on a PC. So now we have a new tab here and then here. So this is what the page looks like. Um, we'll learn how to edit this, but it looks like this. Now the bar across the top is only there because you're editing it as a word, the user of the actual web page itself. Once you're so a normal user who isn't editing it will not see this black bar along the top. So don't worry about that. So the point is you go here and you edit your pages on this tab, and then you go back here and then you refresh this page to see what the changes look like. So let's practice that. Let's go back to our dashboard and we're going to go to pages, all pages, not posts. Make sure you're in pages, all pages. So there's a couple of pages that already exist. We need to delete those because we don't need them. So I'm going to click on trash and it trashes it, and then trash and it trashes it. Gone. So now there's 3 ways to add new pages. One is click on new, add new here. The second one is up here, plus new, and then add a new page, not a post, but a page, or pages, add new. Either way. So pick one and let's add a new page. So when you add a new page, the default looks like this. Now this looks this way because it's the current theme and it happens to be the 2020 theme. The theme is what the page looks like in terms of format, and you'll be able to change the theme later on. So for now, just click here and type in about me. So this page will eventually be about you. So click here, start writing or type, choose a block. So click there and that disappears. Now you can type this in. Eventually, I'll write about me here. So this is just a test sentence, period. You need to publish the page and click on publish. It says, are you really, really ready to publish? Yeah, yes, publish the page. So you would think this is your home page, right? So if you go to this other tab and press Command R or Control R to refresh the page, it isn't. So we need to change it so that we don't see this hello world. This is kind of pointless. We don't need this hello world. We need the About Me page to be your home page. Let's go back here and let's click on this W, top left, which brings you back to your dashboard, basically. And you're going to go to Settings, hover over Settings, and click on Reading. So right here, your homepage displays your latest post. No, we don't want it to display our latest post. We want it to display a static page. So the home page, we want it to be the About Me page. Leave everything else the same. Click on Save Changes. Click here, this other tab, Command R or Control R on a PC, and there it is. There's all this stuff about me and what you wrote. So now let's get rid of all this other junk, which we don't need because it's, let's keep it simple, right? Let's get rid of stuff, keep it simple. So we're going to go back here, go to Pages, all pages, and then we're going to edit the About Me, edit About Me. So where's all that stuff on the side? How do we get rid of the stuff down at the bottom of this thing? It ends up that it's not here. Okay, so it's a different place. All right, so let's go back to our dashboard, and it's under Appearance, Customize, because all pages can be customized to appear the same, not just the About Me page. So click on Customize. So you can see that the active theme is 2020. We'll change that later on, but there's a bunch of other stuff here that we can mess with. And this menu changes when you go to customize. It changes depending upon the theme. So this particular theme in 2020 looks like this, but you know, it will look different depending upon your theme. So let's first go to so all this stuff. These are called widgets. widgets that we can get rid of. And so if you go to widgets, and then footer 1 is this left side, footer 2 is the right side. So if you go to footer 1, we actually don't want any of this, okay? So whatever you have listed here, it might be the same or different than mine. Let's just click on this and choose remove. Same thing with this. Click on this, remove. Click on this and remove. Let's go back. Go to footer 2. Click on this and remove. Whatever it is, just remove it. We want to keep things simple. You can see them disappearing on your main screen. So now they're gone, right? So in order to make this a permanent change for all pages, you got to make sure you publish this. So don't forget to do this every single time. Publish. And then if you switch back to your other browser, now Command R or Control R, there it is. Just simple. Nothing too crazy. All right. So that's how you set it up. And we'll come back and edit the other parts of that page later.